ICC Awards 2024, where the world's finest players and teams have been recognized for their outstanding performances. From the men's and women's game to the Team of the Year selections across formats, we have got it all covered. Let's get started with the biggest honor of the night, the Sir Garfield Sobers Trophy for the ICC Men's Cricketer of the Year. And the winner is none other than Jasprit Bumrah. Jasprit Bumrah, the Indian pace genius, has had a truly spectacular 2024. His unmatched consistency across all formats, especially in Test cricket, earned him this well-deserved recognition. 71 wickets from just 13 matches, including a spell of absolute brilliance, have made him a force to be reckoned with. On the women's side, we have a new name making waves in the cricketing world. Amelia Kerr from New Zealand has been awarded the prestigious Richard Hayhoe Flintoff Trophy as the ICC Women's Cricketer of the Year. In a year where she set new records in T20I cricket with 387 runs and taking 29 wickets, Amelia has proven to be an all-rounder of exceptional caliber. Her performances were a key factor in New Zealand's rise on the global stage. Next, the ICC Men's ODI Cricketer of the Year award goes to Azmatullah Omarzai of Afghanistan. Omarzai's year in ODI cricket was nothing short of spectacular. With 417 runs and 17 wickets across 14 matches, his all-round abilities made him one of the most valuable players of 2024. And for the ICC Women's ODI Cricketer of the Year, it's Smriti Mandhana from India. Mandhana set new career records, accumulating 747 runs in just 13 matches. She has been in sublime form, and her consistency at the crease continues to make her one of the world's finest. In the T20I men's category, the standout performer for the men was Arshdeep Singh. With 36 wickets in just 18 T20I, Arshdeep was a key contributor in India's victory at the ICC Men's T20 World Cup. And speaking of women's category, it was no surprise to see Amelia Kerr make it a double, as she was also named the ICC Women's T20I Cricketer of the Year. Kerr's numbers were staggering. With 387 runs and 29 wickets in 18 matches, no other New Zealand woman has taken as many wickets in a calendar year. Let's not forget the Emerging Cricketers of the Year. Kamindu Mendes from Sri Lanka earned the ICC Emerging Men's Cricketer of the Year award with an exceptional 2024. Over 1,450 runs across all formats, including a stellar test average of 74.92. On the women's side, Aneria Duckison from South Africa was named the ICC Emerging Women's Cricketer of the Year, showcasing her talent in both ODIs and T20I. In the Associate Cricket category, Gerard Erasmus of Namibia was named the ICC Men's Associate Cricketer of the Year, while Isha Oja of the UAE claimed the ICC Women's Associate Cricketer of the Year. Both players had impressive years, with Oja scoring 711 runs and taking 16 wickets in T20I, and Erasmus excelling in both ODIs and T20I with more than 700 runs and 36 wickets combined. Talking about the ICC Umpire of the Year, Richard Illingworth was named the ICC Umpire of the Year. Now, let's take a look at the ICC Men's T20I Team of the Year. Leading the team, it's Rohit Sharma from India, who scored 378 runs with a strike rate of 160.16. Next, Travis Head from Australia, blasting 539 runs in 15 matches with a strike rate of 178.47. Phil Salt from England with 467 runs, including a century and an outstanding strike rate of 164.43. Babar Azam from Pakistan, the elegant run machine, gathering 738 runs in 24 matches. Nicholas Pooran from the West Indies, known for his explosive batting with 464 runs and 2 half centuries. Sikandar Raza of Zimbabwe, a true all-rounder with 573 runs, a strike rate of 146.54 and 24 wickets. India's Hardik Pandya, contributing both with the bat 352 runs and with the ball taking 16 wickets. Rashid Khan from Afghanistan, the magician with the ball, picking up 31 wickets in just 14 matches. Vanindo Hasaranga from Sri Lanka, dominating with 179 runs and 38 wickets in 20 matches. Jasprit Bumrah, the master of death bowling, taking 15 wickets at an average of 8.26. And finally, Arshdeep Singh from India, with 36 wickets at an average of 13.50. Now, let's take a look at the ICC Women's T20I Team of the Year, packed with brilliance and consistency. Leading the charge, Laura Wolvaardt from South Africa, scoring 673 runs with a century and 3 half-centuries. Smriti Mandhana from India, with 763 runs, 8 half-centuries at an average of 42.38. Chamari Atapattu from Sri Lanka, with 200s and 4 half-centuries, gathering 720 runs. Hayley Matthews of the West Indies, an all-rounder who scored 538 runs and took 5 wickets. Nat Sciver from England, with 423 runs and 3 half-centuries, playing a key role in her team. Amelia Kerr of New Zealand, not only scoring 387 runs but also taking 29 wickets at an average of 15.55. Behind the stumps, Richa Ghosh from India, with 365 runs and 2 half-centuries. Marizane Kapp from South Africa, with 399 runs and 11 wickets in 16 matches. Orla from Ireland, an impressive 544 runs and 21 wickets in 18 matches. Deepti Sharma from India, with 115 runs and 30 wickets, showcasing her all-round ability. And lastly, Sadia Iqbal from Pakistan, picking up 30 wickets with an incredible bowling average of 14.30. Now let's talk about Test cricket. The ICC Men's Test Team of the Year features the backbone of consistency and determination. Yashasvi Jaiswal from India, with 1,478 runs at an average of 54.74, one of the top run scorers. Ben Duckett from England, leading with 343 runs and a solid contribution throughout the year. Kane Williamson of New Zealand, accumulating 1,013 runs at an average of 59.58. Joe Root from England, making a huge impact with 1,556 runs at an average of 55.57. Harry Brook of England, 1,100 runs at a remarkable average of 55, showcasing his class. Kamendu Mendes from Sri Lanka, with 1,049 runs and an extraordinary average of 74.92. Jamie Smith of England, with 637 runs and 32 dismissals behind the stumps. Ravindra Jadeja from India, contributing 527 runs and 48 wickets. Pat Cummins of Australia, taking 37 wickets and contributing 306 runs. Matt Henry from New Zealand, with 48 wickets at an average of 18.58. Finally, Jasprit Bumrah from India, with 71 wickets at a stunning average of 14.92. And now, the ICC ODI Team of the Year, packed with powerful performances. Sam Ayub from Pakistan, a brilliant 515 runs with an average of 64.37 and 3 centuries. Rahmanullah Gurbaz from Afghanistan, 531 runs with 3 centuries and a solid 48.2 average. Pathum Nissanka from Sri Lanka, with a remarkable 694 runs and 3 centuries. Kushal Mendes from Sri Lanka, the keeper batsman, with 742 runs and a strike rate of 90.6. Charit Aslanka from Sri Lanka, 605 runs and 50.2 average, leading the team with his consistency. Sherfan Rutherford of the West Indies, with 425 runs and a blistering strike rate of 120.1. Azmatullah Omarzai from Afghanistan, contributing 417 runs and 17 wickets. Vanindu Hasranga of Sri Lanka, the all-rounder with 26 wickets and a best of 7 for 19. Shaheen Shah Afridi from Pakistan, picking up 15 wickets in just 6 matches. Harsh Rauf of Pakistan with 13 wickets and a strike rate of just 22.4. And Allah Ghaznafar from Afghanistan with 21 wickets and an exceptional average of 13.57. Finally, the ICC Women's ODI Team of the Year. From explosive batting to accuracy bowling, this team has it all. Smriti Mandhana from India with 747 runs in just 13 matches. Laura Wolvaardt from South Africa leading with 697 runs in 12 matches. Chamari Atapattu from Sri Lanka, a solid all-rounder with 458 runs and 9 wickets. Hayley Matthews from the West Indies, contributing 469 runs and 9 wickets. Marizane Kapp from South Africa, excelling with 114 runs and 12 wickets. Ashley Gardner from Australia with 269 runs and 20 wickets in 12 matches. Annabel Sutherland from Australia, showcasing her skills with 369 runs and 13 wickets. Amy Jones from England, the wicketkeeper batsman, scoring 382 runs with 15 dismissals. Deepti Sharma from India, a true all-rounder with 24 wickets and 186 runs. Sophie Ecclestone from England, the spin with 21 wickets in 11 matches. Kate Cross from England with 19 wickets in 13 matches. What a year it's been for cricket, and what an honour to celebrate these outstanding performances. From record-breaking runs to magical wickets, these cricketers have set the bar higher than ever before. We'll be back with more updates soon. Until then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Cricket Next for more cricket updates.